Hey James, my name is Bobby. I found your website. I've seen you post a couple of times in some Facebook groups that I think both of us are a part of. So I just noticed a couple of things that you can do for your website to rank better that are really simple for you to do, and I just wanted to share them with you. The most important words that Google looks at is your title tag. And to be completely honest with you, I can't find you listed in organic search anywhere, so I couldn't find your title tag organically, but I did plug it into one of my fun little tools here, and it says that your title tag is home. So basically what you're telling Google is that you want to be ranked for the term home. I'm guessing that's probably not the title tag that you want to have in there on your website. So quick change, update to your website for that. And that should help you a little bit there. Also, I just noticed on your website, this is obviously your homepage, the first page that comes up, and there's no clear way for me to contact you other than, of course, hitting the contact page and then scrolling down. But what I would recommend is to put a phone number, right here on the homepage so that potential clients don't have to go looking for your contact information. It's right there in their face. The less work people have to do, the better. Let's be honest, people are lazy. And then the other thing for your website is the H1 tag. Let me just have a look at that. I think you have a pretty awesome title tag. Let me just have a look. So don't get overwhelmed. We're just looking for the H1 tag. Oh, maybe I'm mistaken. It doesn't appear you have a title tag. So again, H1 tag. So again, what the H1 tag does is it tells Google what you want to rank for. So if you don't have an H1 tag, you're basically telling Google that you don't want to rank for anything. So a couple of tweaks there, and you're going to see a difference in your rankings, pretty quickly. Listen, I'm not saying that you're going to get to page 1, but you'll definitely notice a difference there by just making those 2 updates to your website. Again, it's literally telling Google what you want your website to rank for. Again, my name is Bobby, and if you want help with this or any other ranking factors, just hit reply. This is what I do. I help businesses locally rank higher on Google search and get more customers. Talk to you soon.